How would you like to make an extra $3,000 a month? See, most people I talk to that had credit issues, it's not that they didn't want to pay their bills. They actually just didn't have the money to do so. So in this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can make $3,000 a month part-time, and you can make your own schedule. And this will help you to pay off credit card debt, student loan debt, loans, and it might even help you improve your marriage, because most marriages lead to divorce in the United States due to financial problems. So with this flexible part-time income, you can catch up or pay off your bills or get that new vehicle that you want. And for me, myself, when I started to do this in 2012, it gave me more flexible time with my children. And I end up doing this full time. And when I did it full time, I end up making over 6 figures a year by working with the insurance and mortgage industry. I'm talking about becoming a field agent. Now, a field agent is needed in all 50 states. And if you're not aware, you're constantly being inspected by a field agent, whether you own a home, whether you are living in a property, or it is someone in your neighborhood being inspected by a field agent every single day. And this is in high demand, and it is not going to go away because you're helping the banks and insurance company secure their risk. And the great part, you don't need much to get started because you will have companies that will train you, and there's no license for you to do this. And you can do this wherever you are, and you can do it in a flexible schedule. Most of the times you got to do it in daytime hours, but you can do this all day. So if you work a full-time job, you can do it part-time. And that's where I started. And the great part, unlike insurance agents or life insurance agents, with this type of inspection, you don't have to sell anything. When you meet with one of the clients, if you need to, they know you're there so they can enforce their insurance policy, or they may have a piece of collateral that the bank is financing. And so they're going to handle you with a lot of respect. Now, what is a field agent? A field agent provides visual inspections of property or other collateral such as heavy equipment, computers, RVs, boats, and other business-related items. These inspections are usually required by a financial institution, bank, credit union, mortgage lender, or insurance company to finalize or update a particular business transaction. Example, a bank wants verification of a model and serial number on collateral equipment that has been financed by a business. Inspections must provide a complete in-person and on-site to give accurate and detailed descriptions of equipment. Rising foreclosure, bankruptcies, and white-collar crime have created an ever-increasing demand for field agents who serve as eyes and ears in the field, providing vital information for those who employ them. As a field agent, you're an independent contractor, so you can work for multiple companies. I actually have a book that I have where you can get a number of companies like this right in your area in all 50 states. And we're going to examine this company that we're looking at now because this company is a nationwide company and you can sign up. So you can work for several companies and a wide variety of inspections, and field agents are outsource solution type of base for financial institutions to focus on their core business, which is insurance or mortgage underwriting. Now, because you're dealing with bank and insurance, customer information, they want you to get a background check, and they'll do that, most of these companies for you that require it, through Aspen Grove. So it'll be an Aspen Grove number that you'll give where you can work with multiple contractors, and they will have that background check for you. And they do, in the industry, want you to do a background check every year because this is bank sensitive information. It's quite simple. They do it online, and if you have to update it, they'll email you every year. Now, some requirements that will help you in this field: if you're experienced in customer service, collections, and mortgage, auto, or sales industry, self-motivated, have good management skills, possess professional integrity, reliable transportation, dress business casual because you're meeting with their clients. Computer, you would need a computer, a scanner, a camera. Generally, they want you to use your cell phone camera because most of these companies have an app where you'll take the pictures and then fill out the form and the inspection report. Now, with this company, Nationwide Management Services, they're a national company, so they work in all 50 states. And with them, they work a lot with foreclosed property and abandoned homes. So with these kind of inspections, you will constantly go to the same property and location because they want to make sure there's no damage to the property. And the mortgage company wants to contain their loss so they can get the property back and turn around and sell it after the foreclosure is done. And they don't want any additional violations from the either state or the municipality for debris, for grass cut violations, or they want you just to make sure that there's no notices on the door so they can get fined. So you will report if you see debris or anything that need to be fixed, because what they will do is send out a property preservation contractor to handle that so they won't have any issue with the municipality and correct any issue with the property so they can resell it. Now, with this company, they do offer you training. So if you guys want to sign up and check this company out, I will leave the link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. Now, if you want to check this out and interested in doing this part-time or even full-time, I will leave the link for my ebook for you to download to get other companies like this. You can sign up with this company, and if they have openings in your area, they will contact you and you can begin to work in this industry. If not, pick up my book, and there's tons of companies in your area and in all 50 states. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section or go to my website, and all your comments and questions go directly to my cell phone.